In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a post in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. To begin with, when you're ready to publish a new post, you'll want to log into your Beehiiv account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one by following the instructions on the Beehiiv website. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard, where you can see all your past posts and various stats. It can be a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Look for the New Post button, usually located somewhere prominent on your dashboard. It's like a big flashing sign, saying, "Click me!" Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be taken to the post editor. In the post editor, you'll see a blank canvas ready for your content. Let's start with the title. You want to craft a catchy and informative title that gives your readers a hint of what to expect. Type away in the designated title box. Remember, first impressions matter. Next, you'll quickly notice the main text area where you'll write your post. This is where all the magic happens. You can either type your content directly or copy and paste it from another document. It's always a good idea to proofread your content for any spelling or grammatical errors. As you write, you'll find options for formatting your text, like making it bold, italic, or changing the color. You can also add different headings, which can really help break up the text for your readers. Engagement is key, so feel free to make your post visually appealing. You might want to use images, charts, or infographics to ensure your information is not only heard, but also visually processed. To add images or media, look for an icon or button that allows you to upload files. Once you click it, you can select images from your device to include in your post. Make sure to use high-quality images that are relevant to your content. This is not just about aesthetics. It can keep your audience engaged and make your post more shareable. Now that you're happy with the content and visuals of your post, it's time to talk about the publishing options. Just beneath the main text box, you'll see settings for your post. Here you can specify whether you want to publish this post immediately or schedule it for a later date. Scheduling can be a great tool. If you know you'll be busy in the coming days, you can set it to go live when your audience is most active. Also, consider adding tags or categories to help organize your content and make it easier for your audience to find related posts. This can greatly increase the reach of your content, so don't skip this step. Once you're satisfied with everything, the title, the content, the images, and the settings, look for the Publish button. When you're ready, go ahead and click it. A confirmation dialog may pop up to confirm your decision to publish. It's like saying, "Are you sure you want to share this with the world?" If everything looks good, confirm, and your post will go live. After publishing, take a moment to check your post on your main feed. This step is crucial because it allows you to see how your content appears to your audience. If anything looks off, you can go back and edit it. And that's it. You're officially published in Beehiiv. Don't forget to check your analytics to see how your post is performing and engage with your readers in the comments. This feedback can help shape your future posts. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Beehiiv and other platforms.